So your weak link is probably from a soil development standpoint, your weak link is probably moisture. That's what I was asking your rainfall. If you could build, if you only got 15 acres, there's probably a spot somewhere that's low that where water runs, because I'm sure there are a couple of days a year where water's running everywhere. You get a downpour and water runs all over the place. Not very many days, but a couple, 3 days. Globally, the rule of thumb is that 1/3 of all raindrops run off the ground because they come, too fast for the ground to absorb. So let's just go on the worst case scenario and assume you get 3 inches of rain a year. So that's 1 inch. 1 inch per year runs off at that 1/3 level. So 1 inch is 1 inch of water on an acre is 30,000 gallons. So if you were able to build a pond that would catch half of the runoff from your 15 acres, let's say 7.5 acres, you would be catching 215,000 gallons of water per year. My point there being, if you could then strategically pump that out to extend your moisture, the bottom line is that typically the weak link in precipitation is not the amount of precipitation, it's the amount of precipitation that we can use. It's utilization, not raw resource. And so if you can move your utilization rate, or you could trap this runoff, ideally all of it, then you'd be up into the 500,000 gallons.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.